Managing personal finances effectively is fundamental for achieving financial stability and long-term goals. However, with so many expenses to juggle, it's easy to lose track of where your hard-earned money is going. That's where the 50-30-20 rule comes in, an effective and simple budgeting principle that can help you take control of your finances and pave the way to a more secure financial future. In this video, we'll guide you on how to apply the 50-30-20 rule to your own financial situation.
By the way, if you like this type of content, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button.
What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a popular budgeting guideline that provides a simple and effective way to allocate your income across different categories. According to this rule, you should allot 50% of your after-tax income to needs, encompassing essential expenses for basic living. The next 30% should be allocated to your wants, which are discretionary expenses that enhance your lifestyle. The remaining 20% is designated for savings, investments, and debt repayment. How to apply the 50-30-20 rule. Determine your after-tax income. After-tax income is the amount of money left after deducting taxes from your total income. When you receive your income, whether it's from a salary, wages, or other sources, you are typically required to pay income tax to the government. The income tax amount is determined based on your taxable income, which is your total income minus any eligible deductions and exemptions. Categorize your spending into needs, wants, and savings. Start by identifying and listing your essential expenses. These are the costs required to maintain a basic standard of living. Examples of needs include rent or mortgage payments, utilities such as electricity and water bills, groceries, transportation costs like fuel or public transportation fees, insurance premiums for health, auto, or home insurance, and minimum debt payments. Once you have identified your needs, focus on your discretionary spending. Wants encompass expenses that enhance your lifestyle and provide enjoyment, such as dining out at restaurants, going to movies or concerts, engaging in hobbies or recreational activities, taking vacations, and indulging in non-essential shopping. The savings category is crucial for building financial security and planning for the future, which involves creating an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, contributing to retirement accounts such as a 401k or IRA, investing in stocks or other investment vehicles, or accelerating debt repayment. Create your budget using the 50-30-20 rule. Suppose you are an employee earning a monthly income of $5,000 after taxes. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to cover needs. In this case, aim to spend not more than $2,500 on essential expenses. Next, assign 30% to fulfill your wants, giving you room to enjoy discretionary spending and indulge in activities that bring you joy. Using the same example, that would be $1,500 per month. Finally, dedicate the remaining 20% to savings, investments, or debt repayment, helping you build financial stability and make progress toward achieving your long-term financial goals. Regularly track your expenses and review your budget to ensure you stay within the allocated percentages for needs, wants, and savings. Make adjustments as necessary to maintain balance and accommodate any changes in your income or financial goals. Is the 50-30-20 rule applicable to everyone? While the 50-30-20 rule can be a helpful guideline for many individuals, it may not be universally applicable to everyone's financial situation. The effectiveness of this budgeting guideline depends on factors such as income level, personal circumstances, and financial goals. Income disparities. People with lower incomes may struggle to cover their essential needs within the 50% allocation, especially if they live in high-cost areas. In such cases, it might be necessary to adjust the percentages or find additional ways to increase income or reduce expenses. High debt burden. Individuals with significant debt obligations may need to allocate more than 20% of their income towards debt repayment, particularly if they have high-interest debts. It's essential to address debt aggressively to improve financial health. Varying financial goals. Each person's financial goals differ. Some individuals may prioritize saving for a down payment on a home, or paying off student loans, while others may focus on building retirement savings. Adjustments to the 50-30-20 rule may be necessary to align with specific goals.
If you want to see more of these videos, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to leave a comment. We appreciate all comments and feedback from you.
Thank you so much.
That's more than enough to help us grow and sustain our production expenses. See you in our next video.